Welcome to Vivique Speaks, and today Vivique is speaking about DIY Valentine's Day gifts. So if you have some loved ones that you want to give little sentimental gifts to that are not too difficult to create, you can go ahead and continue watching. As you can see, all my gifts are from Caleb Fresh. So first we're gonna start with this little heart-shaped plate. I got it for 98 cents from Walmart, and I got this little mailbox from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just using hot glue to set everything in place so things don't move around. I'm using wire to kind of help my little stuffed monkey to be more stiff so it's not too flimsy and doesn't move around. You can skip this part, it's not necessary, but I just wanted to make it a little more sturdy. Next, you're just going to work on positioning the mailbox wherever you want it to sit on the plate, and then working the monkey around it. Depending on however you want to position it is fine. I did it several different ways. And I didn't want to forget to mention these mailbox DIY projects with the monkeys were inspired by other YouTube videos I saw, but I changed it up a little bit and made it my own. The monkeys are from Dollar Tree as well. Sorry, I know I'm all over the place, but I'm gonna just mention things as I remember. And from here, just hot glue everything into place. Continue to do that until everything is set how you want it, and just to make sure that nothing detaches or moves around too much. Here I'm positioning the monkey's hand so that it looks like he's holding the mailbox. And next, I am gluing the little picture I made using my Canva app on my phone of Caleb to a red popsicle stick. And in my opinion, this is the part of the gift that just puts the icing on the cake, and it just makes or breaks it. This, I think, is just the cutest thing and the cutest idea. How could you not love a picture of Caleb Fresh with a kiss on his forehead? And as you can see, it says you've got a Valentine to kind of go with you've got mail with the mailbox thing, but since it's Valentine's Day, you got a Valentine. So that's just my favorite part of the gift. I'm sure you can tell. And then a great way to personalize the gift is by getting that person their favorite candies or chocolates and just positioning them in a nice way in the plate. I use glue dots to position them. I didn't want to use the glue gun for the chocolate because of course the glue is hot and I didn't want it to melt through. So the glue dots were just easier to work with when it came to the candy. And it's really easy to pull the pieces of candy off, the packages of candy off of the plate where I position them and from inside the mailbox. And that's about it. Here is how the finished product looks. I'm very happy with it. I'm sure the person who it is for will be very thrilled by it. And I'm just going to show you some other ideas of how you could position the monkey using different kinds of candies, just so you can see different ways to personalize it for different people. In this one, I kind of cut off the front of the mailbox and made it like a hat for the monkey. He's laying down in the plate. This one, the monkey's holding the mailbox straight out in front of him. So there's different ways you can play around with it. And now I'm going to show you even more simple ideas. If you don't like working with hot glue, this is very simple. Even a kid could put this together. I got these little nice candy containers from Walgreens. They were on sale after Christmas, and I'm reusing it. So I just got little mini Twix packages, and I stuffed them inside along with the little stuffed monkey. This monkey is also from Dollar Tree. Actually, it's a gorilla. And I stuck a little picture of Caleb Fresh in it, and voila, I think it's another cute idea. Very simple to give someone. Same thing with the Tootsie Roll container. Same thing with the other little mailbox container. These are just different, more simplistic ways you can put together gifts. And that is a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. Here's a display and a review of all the different little arrangements I made. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed what you see and you got some good ideas here. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.